The high post is a fast and easy to install compression post that supports leading edge protection fencing and guardrails in high floor applications. To install the high post, ensure the foot is fully screwed into the extension post. Position the high post a minimum of 2 inches from the slab edge. Remove the spring lock pin. With the extension post at its desired location, extend the outer tube until the head comes in contact with the slab above. Reinstall the spring lock pin where the closest hole of the outer tube and the inner tube align. Turn the body of the extension post counterclockwise until the head no longer freely turns. View the visual safe indicator. Continue turning the post counterclockwise until the red is no longer visible.